Hi guys, welcome to this session. In today's session, we're going to see how to use drafts and experiments inside Google Ads account. Drafts and experiments is basically a feature inside Google Ads with the help of which guys you can create a draft campaign in which you can make a lot of changes and then you can compare it with an original campaign. Also, you have an option over here if the draft campaign works out really well, then you can convert it into a real campaign and run it as well parallelly. With the help of this, you can understand, you can do a lot of A/B testing, you can compare particular settings or different types of landing pages. You can also do A/B testing of ads over here with the help of this feature, which clearly shows you that if you plan to do any kind of new changes, how they are going to impact or improve your campaign's performance. So what we will do is we will look at couple of changes which we will do in the draft campaign, and then we'll see how to build this experiment campaign as well. So what I've kept for today's session is we'll do a couple of changes like bidding strategy change. We'll add some audience targeting. Also, we'll create a new ad in this particular draft campaign. Apart from that, we'll add some keywords and call out extension. So let's now go inside the Google Ads account and we'll see how to use this feature. So once you are logged inside your Google Ads account, guys, on the left panel under settings, you can see it says drafts and campaigns. So we come here and the first thing which we have to create is a campaign draft in which we make all these changes, and then we can run it like an experiment if we want to. So let's begin with that. So with this plus button, we can create a campaign draft. And now we have to create a draft of an existing campaign. So we'll pick a particular campaign for which we're going to create a draft of it. So I'm going to pick this campaign signups and we're going to name this in the manner, and then we can create it. So right now it's like a copy of the campaign which has been created, and now in this we can start making the changes. So the first change which I want to do in this campaign is to change the bid strategy. So currently this campaign, we'll just check the bidding strategy for it and we'll change that first. So if you want to compare which bidding strategy works best for a particular campaign, you can build a draft campaign like this and then do a comparison. So here we are going to change the bidding strategy from maximize clicks, and we'll put it on a different bidding strategy altogether. Let's say it is max conversions. Next, what we want to do here is we'll add some audience targeting. So we'll go to audiences on the left panel under keywords. And here we will add some audiences related to in-market, affinity, all of that we can do. So here you can see, you will find all the audiences applied in this campaign. So we're going to make some changes to it so that we can test it in an experiment. And then moving forward, we will make the other changes as well. So this will give us a clear idea of the comparison. We can understand that what particular type of changes really works for the business, and based on which we can take our judgment. So here under audience segments, we can add some audiences. So we're going to choose some audiences from affinity, in-market, detailed demographics. So all of that is available out here. So let's say I'm doing some detailed demographics selection from here, and from affinity I have selected these two categories. So this is our audience selection which we have done now. Next, what we also want to do is let's create a new ad in this, compare it with the existing ad. So we'll go to the ads and extensions. And here we can see the existing ad which is already running in the original campaign, and along with that we can create a draft campaign we can create a drafted another ad for comparison. So here we can go ahead and write the whole ad. In this manner, we can go ahead and provide all the information. So you can see I have given the headlines, and now we can give the description as well. So we have created the ad. So this becomes a new ad in this draft campaign. Next, another change which we are doing is we'll add some more keywords to compare it with the current keywords. So we'll go to the keyword section, and here we can add few more keywords. In this manner, we can provide the keywords. So these are the new keywords which we have added now, apart from the current one. And the last one is we'll create a call out extension as well, along with the current extensions which are there. So we can go to the extension section and create some call out extension over here. In this particular manner. Right, so these are all the changes which we have done now in the draft campaign. Now that it has been done, we can apply this. So you can see on the top it gives us an apply button. So now it gives me two choices. Okay, the first choice is that we can apply it to the original campaign, so all the changes which we did here will start reflecting in the original campaign and we can move ahead with that. Or we can convert this into an experiment and run it as an experiment campaign along with the original campaign, and then after a while we can compare their performance. So we'll run it as a experiment campaign. So here now you can give it a name. And you can also give the date from when you want to start this, end date, all that you can provide. Experiment split. So here you can give the split of the budget, how it will be used. So if you want to use 50%, which means basically that 50% of the budget from the campaign will be used in this experiment. Based or a cookie based. So if it's a search campaign, then you can do a search based. Otherwise it can be a cookie based campaign. Once you decide this, you can save it. So now this is a experiment campaign which we have created, and it will start from 22nd August. Right now it is in the creating stage, so they are still building the experiment campaign. Once it is ready, it will start going live. And then you can come back to the campaign and start keeping checking on how it is performing, and later on you can decide whether you want to convert this into an original campaign or not. So in this manner, guys, we are going to use drafts and experiments for A/B testing, for making some changes and then comparing it with our original campaigns and then coming to a conclusion. I hope everybody understood how to use this feature in Google Ads. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into the session today. Have a good day.